In this video, I'll show you how to reconnect disconnected controllers on PS5 step by step. Step 1. Check your USB cable. The fastest way to reconnect is by plugging your controller directly into the PS5 using a USB-C cable. Once connected, press the PS button to resync. Step 2. Charge the controller. If the battery is too low, it won't connect wirelessly. Let it charge for a few minutes before trying again. Step 3. Pair wirelessly. On your PS5 home screen, go to Settings and then Accessories, then Bluetooth Accessories. Put your controller into pairing mode by holding PS plus share button until the light bar flashes, then select it from the list. Step 4. Forget and repair if needed. If the controller still won't connect, remove it from the paired devices list and repeat the repairing process. Step 5. Restart your console. Sometimes a quick reboot clears connection glitches. Step 6. Check for updates. Go to Settings and then System Software Update. And also check for controller firmware update under Accessories. And that's it. With these quick steps, you can easily reconnect your PS5 controller and get back to gaming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.